Do you want to improve your vocabulary and sound more fluent in English? Here are 10 powerful words that will make you sound confident and smart. Make sure to stay till the end because there is a fun quiz for you. Are you ready? Let's go! Word number 1. Enhance. The word enhance means to improve or make better. Let's take an example sentence to understand this word better. Reading every day enhances your vocabulary. Use enhance instead of improve in formal situations. Word number 2. Meticulous. The word meticulous means very careful and precise. Let's take an example sentence to understand this word better. She is meticulous about her work and never makes mistakes. Use meticulous to describe the detail-oriented people. Word number 3. Eloquent. The word eloquent is used to describe a person who is fluent and persuasive in speaking or writing. Let's take an example sentence to understand this word better. The speaker was so eloquent that the audience was captivated. Here's a challenge for you. Try using this word in a sentence and comment below. Now, let's quickly run through the other 6 words. Word number 4. Resilient. The word resilient is used to describe a person who is able to recover from difficulties. Word number 5. Versatile. The word versatile is used to describe a person who is able to adapt to different situations. Word number 6. Exquisite. The word exquisite is used to describe a person who is extremely beautiful or elegant. Word number 7. Innovative. The word innovative is used to describe a person who is creative and introducing new ideas. Word number 8. Diligent. The word diligent is used to describe a person who is hardworking and persistent. Word number 9. Pragmatic. The word pragmatic is used to describe a person who is dealing with things practically. And word number 10. Serene. The word serene is used to describe a person who is calm and peaceful. Now, a mini quiz time. Let's test what you've learned. Fill in the blanks in the comments. Hope you have written your answer in the comments. Let's look at the answers. The right answer for question number 1 is innovative. The right answer for question number 2 is exquisite. The right answer for question number 3 is resilient. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more English lessons, and comment below with a sentence using one of these words.